Hello everyone, Alan here from the UK Tech blog. In this typing test, I will be using the Weikav Lucky65v3. The board is stock with no modifications. The switches installed are the Akko Rosewoods. These switches are known for being talky, but my experience with them is more of a quiet talk. I'm even willing to say that they're office friendly. Rounding up the setup are PBD Fans Courage Red keycaps. These are double shot PBT. Without further ado, here's the typing test. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this typing test. See you in the next one.